In this video, I'll show you how to disable or turn off notifications on your Apple Watch. I'll walk you through how to disable specific app notifications like WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Instagram on your Apple Watch. I'll also show you how to turn off or remove stand reminders or notifications on your Apple Watch. I'm using my Apple Watch Series 10 for the demonstration, but the steps remain the same for other Apple Watches. First, let's see how to disable notifications on the Apple Watch. For this, you'll need your connected iPhone. Open the Watch app and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of apps. Now, for example, I don't like to receive Instagram notifications on my Apple Watch. So what I'll do is from the app list, I'll disable the Instagram toggle button. That's it. Now I won't receive any Instagram notification on my Apple Watch. This way, you can turn off WhatsApp, Snapchat, or notifications from other apps that you don't want to receive on your Apple Watch, while still getting the ones that you need, like missed calls or text messages. Another annoying type of notification I receive on the Apple Watch are the stand reminders. I'm sure that it's a useful feature for many, but for me personally, it's very annoying. So, here's how to directly turn off stand reminders on your Apple Watch. Just go to the settings and open Activity Settings. Now, simply turn off stand reminders toggle button. Now, you won't receive any annoying notifications to stand up. And that's it for this one. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching.